What if I told you a $200 device could boost your rental income by over $1,000 a year, while preventing expensive property damage? Landlords. This is your quick guide to smart upgrades tenants love, and will pay more for. Let's get started. The rental market has shifted. 64% of tenants will pay more for smart tech, but most landlords are missing these three big advantages. 1. Higher rents. Just adding a smart thermostat can justify raising rent by $50 or more every month. 2. Cost savings. A water leak sensor could save you from $10,000 in flood damage repairs. 3. Better tenants. 78% of millennial renters specifically look for tech-friendly homes. You don't need expensive tech. These affordable upgrades give you the biggest bang for your buck. 1. Smart thermostats, like Nest, cut HVAC costs by 15% and let you adjust temps remotely. 2. Keyless entry locks eliminate those frustrating 2 a.m. lockout calls from tenants. 3. Water leak sensors send phone alerts before a small leak becomes major damage. 4. Smart smoke detectors, like Nest Protect, reduce false alarms and $500 plus in fines. 5. Smart bulbs actually pay for themselves by letting you control lights tenants leave on. Bonus. Each one makes your property more attractive to renters. Heads up, landlords. Avoid these common money-wasting mistakes. 1. Don't overcomplicate things. Stick to just 2 to 3 key smart devices that tenants will actually use. 2. Follow privacy laws. Always disclose any recording devices in your lease agreement. 3. Skip the cheap brands. Brands like Schlage and Code Locks offer dependable operation with minimal technical problems. Before installing smart devices, remember these key rules. Update your lease. Clarify who controls the thermostat and if you'll access doorbell recordings. Always have backup keys. Even with smart locks, physical keys are a must. Make upgrades pay for themselves. Tenants expect to pay more for tech features, so adjust rent accordingly. If you're finding these tips helpful, be sure to subscribe for more smart rental strategies. If this video was useful, please give it a like. We'd love to hear your thoughts too. Comment below whether you'd install smart locks or thermostats first in your properties. And don't forget to share this with other landlords who might benefit. They'll definitely thank you later.